everybody. I just wanted to share some amazing results that I've gotten from investing in Bitcoin on BitConnect. And I'm just showing my screen right here. I'll probably show a screenshot as well. But you can see that I invested about $1,000. I reinvested, so it's up to $11.90, and total earned on that amount is $1124.80. So from my initial $1,000 investment, I've already made back my investment plus $124, which I've just been pulling out and spending. So I've gotten my money back, and this is still running, and it's due to run for another couple months, I believe. And so I will probably triple my money by the end of this investment. So I just wanted to share this with everybody and give people a way to make money from their money without really doing anything. If you're familiar with Bitcoin and you're not afraid of it, and you're comfortable with it, or even if you're not, this is just a great opportunity. BitConnect is one opportunity that I'm in, and it's an investment platform. They use trading bots to trade on the value of Bitcoin as it goes up and down, and they also have their own coin, which they somehow put in there. But BitConnect is really stable, and I've been in it since August, so I've made this money since August. And there are a few other investments that I'm also in. One is USI Tech, BitPetite, and a few others, but I'm going to put my links in the description. So if you're interested in getting in on this, please just use my links, because the referrals are really great. You get great bonuses from the referrals, and that'll help me out, and then you can share your links with your people and get your referrals as well. And just, it's a great way to make some passive money. If you have any questions, or if you need help researching this more, you just, put something in the comments section, and, I'll answer the questions as best I can. But so far, it's pretty self-explanatory. It can be confusing when you first sign up, but it's actually pretty easy. So ask your questions if you have any, but this is really cool. So I wanted to share that. Thanks. Bye.